Everybody, thank you for joining me today. My name is Carrisa Terwey. I'm with Mimaki Corporate. I am the application and training supervisor here at Mimaki, and we're going to go over the 6042 today. I've been in the printing industry for over 25 years, been in the wide format for about 15. So this is one of my favorite machines. This is the UJF-6042 model. You'll notice that it is printing right now, and we'll talk about the application that we're doing, but let's go over the machine a little bit. So these are 1 liter ink bottles that it has. This machine has cyan, magenta, yellow, black, as well as white, clear, and primer on it. I'm using one of 3 of our inks, which is the LUS 120 ink on this machine. And that is our less expensive ink, and it also has flexibility. That flexibility of that ink also helps when you're lasering through the ink, or if you're going to use something that routes out through that ink. So what we're going to talk about also is that this has a wide ink circulation system on it, but this machine and our ink technology is superior, not only because we have different types of ink with different flexibilities for them, but it is also, we have great adhesion. That's why we also have the primer that can jet through the machine, so that if you have things that you do have a problem with adhesion on, then you can use the primer as well. So let's talk about adhesion for a second, because adhesion is important on this machine because it can print on so many different surfaces. As you'll notice on this one, we're printing on the baseball. We're printing on the award box for the baseball. This machine, the bed size of this machine is 24 by 16.5 and can print up to 6 inches. So see how we printed on this wood block. So this is a 6 inches to prove that you can print up to 6 inches tall on this machine. It also has the ability to come with an option that we call a kebab. And with the kebab, you can do cylindrical objects. This is something that we did. So if you want to do full color tumblers, now this is a little bit different than the UV DTF that we've seen, because this is a permanent application. So this is not going to chip off. These lapel pins and earrings, these are really high margin applications, and we want to get the most out of our material and the most items out of the sheet as we possibly can. So the application that we're showing, of course you can print on several different types of substrate, but I want to show you a couple of substrates that Trotec provided for me. And this one is an engraving material that is gold, and see, it's a little bit thinner, and this material might be perfect for our lapel pins as well, and you'll notice it does have a little bit of flexibility to it. The other material that Trotec asked me to test and make some applications with is this silver acrylic that they have. I really like that it has a little bit of that shine to it. So with clear acrylic, when you're doing applications with clear acrylic, then you're able to print color, white color, and when you do so, then of course it looks like it's double-sided. So you see, like, this is a little puzzle box that we put together, and of course it started out with a flat sheet of acrylic, and then we laser cut it out. So I just wanted to expand your products and teach you how to make a little bit more money, and let you know that this machine is something you might consider adding into your business, so that you can do things like these tumblers, like some awards. We even have some pop sockets here. You can print on pop sockets. This machine also has the ability to do braille. So maybe you want to do ADA signage as well. You can do a lot of textured printing with this machine as well. So not only can you do the small products, the tchotchkes that will be given away, but really high margin signs like this stuff here, which is the ADA signage. Another application that is used is Oh look, you can print on the golf ball. So think about those markets you'll be able to expand into with some of these new products that maybe you would like to add into your business. And if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. And of course, please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time, hopefully with some education to show you how to set up these files. Please join me next time. Thank you.